Pros and cons of porcelain tile flooring. Dear friends, porcelain tile flooring is one of the most popular flooring options for modern homes. It is known for its strength, elegant appearance, and long-lasting performance. However, like every material, it comes with both advantages and disadvantages. One of the biggest pros of porcelain tiles is durability. These tiles are extremely hard and resistant to scratches, stains, and heavy foot traffic. This makes them ideal for living rooms, kitchens, and even commercial areas within the house. Another major benefit is low water absorption. Porcelain tiles are almost waterproof, which makes them perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and homes in humid or rainy regions. They are also very easy to clean and require minimal maintenance. Porcelain tiles are available in a wide range of designs, colors, and finishes. You can find options that look like marble, wood, or natural stone, giving your home a premium look at a lower cost. On the downside, porcelain tiles can be more expensive than ceramic tiles. The material cost and installation charges are usually higher due to their hardness and weight. Another con is that porcelain tiles feel cold underfoot, especially in winter. Without rugs or underfloor heating, they may feel uncomfortable in colder climates. Lastly, installation requires skilled labor. Improper fixing can lead to cracks or uneven surfaces, increasing repair costs later. In conclusion, porcelain tile flooring is a strong, stylish, and low-maintenance option, but budget and comfort factors should be considered before choosing it for your home. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.